The SNS College of Physiotherapy, third year BPC. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories manages its customer relationship through a sophisticated tech-driven framework focused on patient-centric innovation and unified engagement. Owning the relationships, B2B integration, DRL uses Salesforce and I to unify data across 40 plus internal systems, providing a single view of relationship with healthcare profession, hospitals and pharmacies. Segment focus, the company differentiates between high-value institutional buyers and individual customers, tailoring its approach to meet the specific economic drivers of each. Direct to customer through a statistic acquisitions and digital therapeutics, and it increasingly owning direct relationship with patients for wellness and self-care, managing interactions in
Reddy.
omni-channel journeys. Marketing terms use Salesforce Marketing Cloud to design personalized data-driven journeys for HCPs, ensuring they receive the right information at the right time. Digital hubs, platforms like Exceed allow API customers to manage the entire inquiry and process in real time, significantly increasing operational efficiency.
Support for the host industry API partners. Issue solutions. The customer receive terms CSV acts as a single point of the contact for API units globally. They manage the technicals and quality queries with the different service level agreements to ensure quick turn it to the complaints or the technical issues. Guidelines, joining steps. For new partners or the distributors, DRL provides structured onboarding, including technical documents and white papers for the knowledge enhancement. Dedicate the program management, specialized return, drive the delivery of the symbols and seeding to ensure future business continuity for partners. Public company image, brand promise, the central narrativity in the good health contact weight is the empathy and the emphasizing empathy and the urgent delivery of the affordable medicine. Truth and relief. DRL maintains its the image through the high quality standards evidenced by the constant positive regulatory inspections and the top ranking in the 2024 Access to Medicine Index. ESG comment. The public image is reinforced with the strong environmental, social and governance ESG goals, such as 33% reduction in the scope 1 and 2 emissions compared to EY 2023. Would you like see a more detailed breakdown?
Ads and programmatic targeting. HCP targeting, the company use data-driven programmatic advertising to reach healthcare professionals on specialized platform. Customer ads. For its over-the-customer products, it runs targeted digital advertising across YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, including remarketing companies to reach in-market audience. ROI Focus. Digital HCP companies in 2024 averaged a 4.5x return on investment through segmenting and SEO. Therapeutic Hubs. Dr. Reddy's maintenance on authoritative digital hubs for key therapeutic areas, generating over 2.5 million digital engagement in FY24. Educational resource. The strategy involves providing high-value content such as white paper, webinar, and online symposia to build trust and through leadership among clinicians. SEO strategy. Advanced SEO is implemented to drive organic traffic to corporate and condition specific word of mouth and social messaging. Social media. Platform like LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook are used for brand awareness, video, event promotion and community engagement. B2B trust. Participation in managed medical conference and the presentation of clinical data foster professional word of mouth and strengthen industry's relationship. Patient support. Communities and on social media are leveraged for patient education and disease management awareness.
Hey, Brinda, silent.
Referral and engagement program. Employer referral. The company runs a Bring Your Buddy referral scheme where employees are rewarded for referring candidates for job opening. Patient support and program. My initiative, the Like Vag Club, provides the personalized guidance for patients with specific conditions. Example, allergic colitis. My drug transaction app page and e-pharmacy. E-pharmacy integration partnership with a platform like Nitent and 1mg contribute over 50% of domestic sale in India. Customer protocol. The Exceed platform serves as a self-service hub for B2B customer, managing everything from product inquiry to order dispatches. Internal app. The Enable app provides the on-demand learning and productivity tool for the internal field. Engagement, emailing, and offer. Personalized journey using a tool like a Salesforce Marketing Cloud. The company orchestrates personalized email journeys for HCP. Customer retention. Personalized email are also used to send health tips and medication information to consumer to the build stronger relationships. Lead nursery. The digital nursery funnel is used to move the potential leads from the initial awareness via webinar towards the conversion.